How small is a nanometer? Let's find out. The textbook answer is 1 billionth of a meter, and that's correct. But 1 billionth is just a number you memorize in school. It doesn't give you a picture. So let's take that definition and make it real, starting with something you can already see. A single strand of human hair is about 80,000 nanometers across. 80,000. So if you slice one hair along its width into 80,000 equal ribbons, one of those ribbons is a nanometer. That's our starting point, from the world your eyes can see into the world they can't. Now look at your fingernail. Right now, as you're watching this, it's growing. The rate? About 1 nanometer, every second. In the time it took me to say that sentence, the edge of your nail pushed forward, about 5 nanometers. Nano isn't something that only happens in labs. It's the speed of your own body. Blow a soap bubble. See those swirling rainbow colors? That's not pigment. That bubble's wall is only about 100 nanometers thick, and as it thins, it splits light into colors. Your eye has been reading nanometer thickness your entire life. The faint purple sheen on your eyeglasses? A nanometer thin coating designed to cancel reflections. Nano isn't hidden in labs. It's on the bubble in the air. And the glasses on your face? Here's the twist. You can see the effects of nano, the rainbow, the blue, the shimmer. But you can't see a single nanometer directly. Why? Light travels in waves, and the distance between one wave peak and the next has a name. It's called the wavelength. For the light your eyes can see, that distance is 400 to 700 nanometers. That's the size of the ruler your eye uses. And you can't measure something smaller than your smallest ruler mark. It's not a microscope problem, it's physics. So keep zooming. Past the hair, past the bubble, past the wavelength of light itself. 1 nanometer is about 10 atoms wide. That's the scale we're working at. When we say nano, we mean counting atoms. And remember your fingernail, growing a nanometer a second. That means your body is laying down something like 10 atoms per second along the edge of every nail. That's where we are now, at the scale where atoms are the thing you're counting. So a nanometer isn't a number to memorize. It's the scale your body grows at, the scale your eye already reads, and the scale where counting atoms becomes a thing you're actually doing. But here's the thing. There's something in your pocket right now that operates at this scale. But how many people could actually explain what's inside one? Next up, what is a chip?